Hello, I'm back, but not fully back, partially back. Expect video from me once every week at least, okay, by God grace. Guys, today we are making a very delicious spaghetti. This spaghetti is so yummy, so delicious. And do you know what? It took me less than an hour, 30 minutes to put all of this together, both the preparation and the cooking. This is so easy, so yummy, so delicious. You will love it. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe, like, share this post, okay? Do all the beautiful stuffs to this channel. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful community. To my OGs, thank you guys for always stopping back to support this video. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get down to the video. So guys, here are my ingredients for this recipe. I have my bell peppers here. I have my beef here. So I've already washed my beef and my bell peppers, okay? So this is my beef. I'm going to be cutting it. So in here is my pepper mix. I have pepper, onions, garlic, and ginger. So here is my salt. It's almost finished. And this is my seasoning cube. I'm using the ordinary no. Here is my vegetable oil and my roughly blended tomatoes. Okay, this is fresh tomatoes, roughly blended. So now we are going to start to cut our bell peppers. I'm just going to cut my bell peppers, and this is the size or the shape I'm cutting my bell pepper. This is the normal shape for pasta, but you can cut it as you want. Okay, and here is my bell peppers ready. So now over to the beef. I'm going to be cutting the beef the same shape I cut the bell peppers. So here it is. Our beef is ready now. I'll be transferring this beef in a plate. Then I will go ahead now to season. Here I will add in my pepper mix. And then I will go in with my seasoning cube. I'm using the ordinary Maggi. So I'm adding like 2 of this cube. You know, it's 2 in 1. So I'm just adding the 1, okay, like this, 2 in 1. So I'm just adding it. I will add in my curry powder, add in my oregano. If you have time, you can use thyme, okay. Then I'm going to mix this together. I'm going to mix until everything is properly mixed. I'll add in my vegetable oil now. So the essence of adding in vegetable oil is to lock up all the ingredients that you have added into the meat, okay. I'm just going to mix everything well. If you have time, you can just put this in the fridge and allow it to sit, okay, but I don't have that time, so I'll just go ahead now to start frying or stir frying the beef. So in a wok, I'll be adding in my already marinated beef. I'm going to be stir frying this beef for about 7 to 8 minutes, okay, stirring at intervals 7 to 8 minutes on a medium to low heat so that it doesn't get burnt. so that you can cook as it's the frying is cooking. So guys, you can see our beef is coming out so well. You can see all that juice from the beef. So I will keep stir frying and allow this juice and allow the juice to dry up, okay, so that let the meat suck up the juice. Our beef is ready now. I'll just take it out from the wok and then go ahead to start making our sauce. Guys, if you have watched me up to now, it means you're enjoying this video. Please help me to subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel, and if you have not liked this video, please like, okay. This is the best time to like this video so that you won't forget at the end of the video. So I'll just take out my the fried beef now. In the same wok, I'll be adding in some vegetable oil. Just heat up some vegetable oil and then going with my curry powder, and then I'll add in my oregano. So guys, I will go in now with my pepper mixture. I'm going to stir now. I'm just going to stir this now. Allow this to fry for about 3 minutes, okay? And 3 minutes later, our pepper mixture is ready. I'll be adding in my fresh tomatoes. Then I will go in with my seasoning cube. I'm going to be seasoning this pepper mix now. Then I'm going to stir, allow this to fry, okay, until the sauce is ready, until the tomato is well fried, stirring at intervals, okay. You're going to keep an eye on it so that it doesn't get burnt. So guys, our sauce or stew is ready now. I'm just going to take this down now and then bring in water for our pasta. So I've already added water inside this pot. I'm going to allow this water to come up to a boil before adding in my pasta, and the water is boiling now. I'll be adding in salt. So I'll go in with my salt. Then I'm going to stir. Somebody should please tell me why I'm using small spoon. Like, why am I using small spoon when I have big spoon? I will add in my pasta now. I'm just going to stir this, okay, so that the pasta can enter very well inside the boiling water. I will cover this and allow this to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes, okay. Yes, 10 to 12 minutes. This pasta is not that soft, but this pasta is kind of hard, so you have to cook it for a longer time. So our pasta is perfectly cooked now. As you can see, it's ready. So now I will take this down and reintroduce our sauce. Into our sauce, I'll be adding in our already cooked pasta. Now I'm going to mix everything so that the pasta and the sauce can marry each other well. Right now I'll be adding in my meat stock. So this is the stock from my turkey I cooked. I'm just going to add it in now to loosen up the sauce, okay. Mix until everything is well mixed. Then I'll add in my stir-fried beef. I'll go in with my beef now. And then I'll add in my veggies. You are going to mix all of this together to properly combine all this together, guys. Look how yummy this spaghetti is looking like. Tell me that you'll be trying out this recipe. Tell me that you love this recipe already, guys. This came out so delicious, so yummy. You will enjoy it. You can see how easy it is for me to prepare this. Okay, you've already seen it, how easy it is for me to put all this together. Less than an hour, 30 minutes, guys. You put all of this together, both the preparation, both the cooking. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to do all that beautiful stuff to this channel. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Until then, please stay safe. Bye bye.
Even when I fall, your hand, you still there, hold my hand. Lover of my soul, you know they break my heart. I'll sing about your mercy, I'll sing about your grace. Now you there bust my brain every night and day. Daddy where they pamper, daddy where they bless.